The sound studies make this approach that the sound of the city is the sound of modernity, and the sound of the outside of the city is the sound of traditional society. Something which not many scholars agree with, but it's important to bear this in mind.
Do you want to try it? Maybe you'll get lucky.
I'll try.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Oh no. Okay. It's stuck in there. Yeah. Wow.
Сколько красивый цветочек. Я знаю, что
זה לא חוקי לצפור פה.
Music and sound are about time. Is the embodiment of time. When you start listening to a piece of music, you enter an experience of time. So there are two experiences of time. There is the experience of the physical time that is going, we're measuring with the clock, okay? The minutes are passing. But when we enter the experience of music or any other sonic experience that we pay attention to, that sonic experience, that sound experience is what determines how we feel time. Because sound is intangible, sound is transgressive. Sound crosses physical barriers. You can experience sound without seeing the source of the sound.
הסכום נתן לך 130,000 שקל, 130,000 דולר.
Medieval society in Europe, in Christian Europe, was all organized around the sounds of the bells of the church. Sound tends to be much more public, okay? Much more something of the public sphere. Okay? The visual is more private in a way. Once again, I want to repeat, all these zeros and ones, okay, this is like a computer program, are not to be taken literally. They are just to be taken as ideas to think about the difference between sound and the visual.